It was an interesting set of circumstances. I was looking for a new career path, and God woke me up in the middle of the night, knowing I needed something. I had loved cleaning, and He had directed me to the commercial cleaning industry. Ever since I was practically out of the womb, I knew I wanted to get into sales. My great-grandfather was in sales. My dad and my uncle were in sales. So leaving a legacy behind that's bigger than myself and truly teaching a man how to fish and providing for their family is the goal. Deciding what your ideal customer looks like, and that can take some research and understanding of your business model. Coming up with a plan and sticking with it, not chasing squirrels, because it's easy to do when you're in business and starting out. And staying motivated day in and day out through the minutia of running a business and all the different challenges that you have. Help to give business owners focus and direction when sometimes it's hard to stay motivated, giving salespeople a sounding board for success. So getting into the commercial cleaning space, I saw that there wasn't a lot of focus on sales, but more of the cleaning end. And I brought sales into the picture because of my prior business experience. And so I could see that the business wasn't complicated. It doesn't mean there's not nuances to it, but with the sales portion, I already had the direction. It was how do I put focus down and setting up achievable goals. The business that I'm in now in commercial cleaning, I was always looking for people who were God-based, that were crazy driven and could run at the pace I wanted to run. And I've been blessed with that. And to truly teach people, you gotta have some kind of grounding. And for us, it's God's the grounding. And from that, everything will be benefited and be blessed.